Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. I'm bringing you behind the scenes of a photo shoot in downtown Seattle. For the full gallery of images, as well as the model's information and the gear that I use, check out the description box below. Before we get into it, I want to thank Squarespace for sponsoring this video and making it possible.
A photo speaks 1,000 words, but a polished and professional portfolio can get us those $1,000 clients. Enter Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for websites and domains. Photographers, it's time to be done settling for slow-loading websites with tedious plugins. I trust Squarespace's all-in-one platform to keep me booked and busy. Pick from one of their dozens of contemporary drag and drop layouts, host your custom domain and email with them, and even conduct successful email campaigns. Everything you need to run a successful photography business under their umbrella and at your fingertips. You can head to squarespace.com to begin your free trial, and when you are ready to launch your beautiful professional website, you can go to squarespace.com/Jessica Whitaker to get 10% off of your first purchase of a website or a domain.
I found this just the other day walking through downtown, and I love the stone, I love the carving, it's really pretty details. I'm gonna be using my 85 for these shots, and I might swap to my 50mm, so let's get started. Okay, oh my gosh. It's so cute. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so beautiful. Wait, I just need you to take a moment to look at how beautiful you are. Oh, thank you. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So gorgeous. Oh my goodness, love that. Okay, I'm gonna do full body shots. Are you serious right now? So cute. So I'm shooting with an 85, that's why I'm pretty far away, and my shutter speed is really fast too. So freaking cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, do some more close-ups. So right now I have this and a little bit in my foreground just to be able to, there's that black board that's just a really like a big contrast. So I'm covering up the black with this. Oh my gosh. Stunning. Oh my goodness. Stunning. So beautiful. Okay, let's see if I should do one maybe with this darker background. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. I'm gonna have you step this way just a hair. I'm just blocking, there's a little outlet. This way just a little bit. Yep, perfect. So beautiful. Okay, start with some close-ups and then do full body. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, love. It is so beautiful. Gorgeous. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, let's get even further back. Oh, gorgeous. Yeah, beautiful. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love this because then we're getting a little bit of the lights from the street. Let's see. So we have really dramatic shadows, so I'll just have you keep your face up. It's stunning though, but yeah, just face up. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Love.
That's beautiful.
You are, even like this shadow, it looks so good on you. Like, oh my goodness, you're so gorgeous.
This is a gorgeous location.
Like, in this is almost the same color as your hair, with the liner, with the pink. So amazing. We just wrapped up shooting in the doorway. Now we're gonna walk up to the street and get some shots just with the city lights and the dress, a lot more movement, and then we're gonna change into the next look. Okay, yeah, stunning. Beautiful, gorgeous, love it. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, that was perfect. That was really cute. So we're over on this corner, and we're now gonna shoot this way, and we have these really pretty beige buildings in the background, and then a lot of the little Christmas lights. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, Avery, stunning. Beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this lime green car. See, there we go. Oops. Okay, perfect. Okay, I think we actually got it where the street was like totally empty. So it looks like it's, oh my gosh.
Oh, gorgeous.
Beautiful. With the movement.
The dress, yes.
So stunning. You're so talented. Oh my gosh. So now we're walking back to change into the next look, which is purple. A very cute purple puffy jacket. It'd be so cute. Okay, this a moment when she's walking down the street. Yes. What was that? What was that sound? So cute. Maybe we do like a little turn back at. Wait, let's see if I can get it in focus. Oh, it's so dark. I'll have you step out this way, actually. Okay, yeah, beautiful. Okay, let me get it in focus. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Face nice and high, I know it feels awkward. If you have to go to the chiropractor, that means it's a good angle. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, and the lights in the back.
So we're at our second location. We're still in downtown, but we're gonna do a little bit outside this old ticket box. I don't know, when I was just going to the grocery store one day, I saw this. We might move up a little bit, but I do love all the gold. I love the marble. It's really pretty, especially with the sequin skirt and the lighter colors. We have a bit more contrast. You know what? It doesn't look as good. Let's go around the corner. Or you know what? Let's go up where that light is coming in. So I see a little pocket of sun. So we just came up onto the corner, and there's some really beautiful light coming from the back. And then we have all the glass reflecting in it. It's gonna be really beautiful.
You look like smoking.
Okay. Beautiful. So we're still shooting with the 85, and then, oh, this is really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna scoot back quite a bit. This is really beautiful lighting. Stunning. This light is so stunning. The lighting is so gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna get some close-ups. I really like the bit of bronze too that we're getting. Oh, beautiful. You know what, I'll have you stand right here in the sun. Oh my goodness. So stunning. Okay, I'm just gonna adjust my settings real quick. Oh my gosh, with this sequin, oh my gosh, stunning, Avery. I'm gonna let that bus pass real quick. Maybe just swing the purse ever so slightly this way, just so we see it. Yeah, cute. Yeah, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this lime green car. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna do full body shot just like that. The light right now, oh my goodness. Stunning. I'm just gonna wait for this bus real quick. Let's see. Maybe, let's see if I can get anything in the reflection. That's cool. Oh my goodness. Okay, perfect, okay. Oh, that's so beautiful, Avery. And then twist your torso towards me ever so slightly. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, and we have some shine reflecting. Oh my If you're a photographer looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my free Build and Bloom Facebook group. This is the best place to ask questions, whether it's how to handle a difficult client situation and how to respond to them, or just getting an extra set of eyes on your website. Check it out on Facebook groups. It's Build and Bloom. It'll also be in the description box below, and be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your business come out. And I will see you over in the next one. Click right here to watch and to learn. See you there.